Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Sales Prediction and Forecasting System. And I have developed this project in Python. Version I am using is the Python 3, and the pip version is also lattice with the Python. And I'm the for web application I am using the Django, and the Django version I am using the Django version 2. For database, I am using the pandas, and for front-end development, I am using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and many of the jQuery and charges libraries for plotting the graphs according to the requirements. Also, this is a bootstrap theme and the responsive theme means if you open this project in mobile app in mobile as well as tab or bigger screen, then the screen will not be distorted and the screen size will be fit out according to the screen size, right? So for Python library, I have used the pandas for reading the Excel file, NumPy for operations, and uh, charts for plotting the charts, and sklearn for reading the data, and I'm using the Arima and the Sarima model for data training and predicting the sales price and sales data according to the user choice. Currently, I'm predicting the sales data for next 1 year, but there is an option from here you can set and predict for more days or less days, right? According to the data, but it will be good if you predict for the next 1 year, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, right? Because I'm using the training data for previous 2 years, and after that I'm training the data, training the model, and on those model I'm predicting the sales volume and sales price according to that data, right? So let's start with the project functionality. So again, I am telling the project name is sales prediction and forecasting system, and I have developed in Python, Django, and MySQL. For frontend, I'm using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and this is a bootstrap thing, and this is a major project, right? So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is very simple and so our home page. This is the about, and if you want to change the data of the about us, and if you want to change the data of this home page or image, then you can change it directly from the code. This is the login. Without login you can't be able to do anything inside the system. Means for predicting the things or forecasting the cells, you need to you must have the user id and password. Without it you will not be predicting anything, right? This is the contact us page. This is the static contact us page, and I am not saving the data of this contact us page anywhere in the database, or I am not sending any type of email and sms from this page, right? So let's start. So the user ID is admin and the password is test. And if you log inside the system, then these operations you can perform, right? You can upload the sales files, you can see the files report, my account, and change password, right? Let me show you the upload sales files, right? So his this is the sales name is what is the title of the file, start date, end date, upload sales file, and the description. Okay, so you can upload the sales files as the given format which is available inside the code, and if you upload the sales files according to that format, then this project will predict the sales according to the previous data, right? Okay, this is upload sales files, and this is the files report. So this is the I have uploaded a single sales file, that is a sales file excel data. And one more thing I want to tell you that I am processing the excel file, right? I am not processing the csv file, right? Because excel file contains the date format. In the date format value, the string integer into the string integer value, but the csv file contains the plain text data. So it's very tough to convert the data types according to the data formats, right? That's why I'm using this using the excel file. And for reading the excel file, I'm using the pandas library for reading this excel file, right? So there are three buttons here: view data, delete, and category. So if you click on the view data, so this page is coming from the database, but if you click on the view data, then this page is not coming from the database. It's reading the excel file on the fly, and you can see there are a lot of data inside. More than 40,000 records are there inside the excel file. And those records are getting read by the pandas. And after that, the data is plotting here, means the data is displaying here, right? So you will get all of the data here, and after that you will be able to perform various type of operation on those data. Like you can copy that, you can export it into the csv, you can export this data into the excel file, you can generate the pdf of this file, even you can print the data, right? Also you can search the data here, right, according to the your, suppose if you search for Henderson, right, then you can see all the city Henderson is coming here, right? And this is the pagination also, right? And this is the it's saying that 56 entries are available, one of 10, and total record you are getting is 9,940 total entries, right? Also you can sort the data according to the price, according to the discounts, right, according to the quantity. So this is the features which is available here. You can do each and everything here, right? So currently there are 1,000 pages, right? And I am showing 10 records in a single pages. Then there are 1,000 pages, and into 10 means there are 10,000 records right here. And if you want to jump there, and you can jump according on clicking on that page number, right? You can search the data, you can filter the data, you can export the data, you can do whatever you need, which is available. All the buttons are functional, and all the search and pagination and the filtration and the sorting is working fine here, right? Next one. Next, again I'm showing, going on the file support. This is the delete. If you delete it, then the file will be deleted as well as the record will be deleted, and nothing will be displayed here, right? Just once you click on the category, then a cells, let me show you. uh, File support. Oh, so in the view data section, let me explain you here, right? So in the cells, what the cells excel the sheet you are uploading, it contains the categories, that what type of category that sales belongs to, means that sales belongs to furniture or office supplies or the technologies or the fashion. So currently I'm taking only three of the categories, right? But if you have more categories, just add it into the excel file and just upload it, and it will show on the fly. Means suppose if you are 10 categories, then you will be able to see all of the categories here, right? And you will be able to see the predictions according to the category. Currently I have only three categories, but you can add any number of categories in your excel file, and those data will be read by the pandas, and it will show you here, right? Okay. Also you can do all of the operations which I explained you earlier, that you can copy, export, excel, pdf, and print. All of the operations you can perform here. This is the show prediction. So once you click on the show prediction, then it will predict according to the data, right? And it will show you the real graph. So this, I have categorized the data into the two part, the historical and the prediction, right? So this is the historical data. You can see this is the historical data, and currently I am grouping the record, and after that I am plotting it into the graph. Let me show you. This is the historical data movement, right? You can see I am starting from first of 2014 to 12th of this, sorry, 1st of December 2017, right? This data, and what you are seeing, you are seeing the data about the furniture, right? So you can see how the sales of furniture is going, right? And if you talk about the forecasting, then this is the forecasting data. I told you earlier that I am forecasting only for the next 12 months, right? So you can see this is the forecasted data value, means what the data will be of the 1st January, what the data will be the 1st February, means what will be the sales volume for that month, right? And this is the sales prediction, right? So you can see the data till here is same, right? And after that, this particular pink color line is the prediction, is the forecasting system, right? If I hide it, then you can see this is the previous historical data. For furniture, you can see the title is sales forecasting for furniture for next 12 months, right? And this is still here, right? If you enable this line, then you can see this is the prediction, means sales is going down in January because on the new year less number of people want to buy furniture, right? You can see the behavior on the new year, means this is a seasonal, right? Seasonal trends. So on the new year, the sales of the furniture is getting down, and the middle it's going up, and at the end of the year it's going up, right? So this is the flow of the forecasting of, and it's coming from the, I'm using the arima and the sarima for getting the data, means for getting the prediction or getting the forecasting, right? So this is also, you can also export it into the Excel PDF, print the forecasted data value, right? And you can see the graphical view of the forecasted data value here, right? Since this is the historical data and this is the forecasting data, right? But if you need more graphs, just put it into the comment. I will integrate the new graphs according to your requirements if you need that, right? So this is the sales forecasting, right? So this completed, and this is the my account section from where you will be able to update your account details, and this is a change password from where you will be able to update your password right? So this is one more thing, the above menu is totally dynamic. If you log out, then you will not be able to access the internal menu, right? If you log in, then you will be able to access the internal dashboards and perform the operations, right? So this is all about my project sales prediction and forecasting system. But if you need, I'm not saying this is a full project, but if you need more functionality in this project, if you need new graphs, if you need new trends, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes inside my project, and I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest video updates on the latest projects. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.